Hi guys, welcome to Selenium Automation Testing. So today in this video we are going to learn about how to handle untrusted certificate issue in your script in Selenium. So this is the demo web application. After launching this URL, when I click on this join button, okay, this web page is launched. Your connection is not private. So this is the certificate issue. So how to handle such type of certificate issue in Selenium? So first thing is we need to launch the URL and then we need to click on this join button, because after clicking on this join button we need to handle this certificate issue. So I have already written the code up to launch the URL. Now we need to click on the join button, because after clicking on this join button we got this certification issue. So we use web element is equal to driver dot find element by dot xpath. I will create the xpath for the join button, and then after finding the web element we use element dot click method. So just right click on this join button and click on the inspect. I will create the xpath. I will use this text join. So I will create the xpath by using text method. Our element comes inside the a tag. So I have written a text is equal to, in a single quote I will write the text, actual text join. See, 1 of 1. So just copy your xpath and paste in your script. Ctrl Shift F and Ctrl C. And after finding this web element we need to click on the join. So we use element dot click method. Let me run this script. I will show you. Ctrl Shift F and Ctrl save. Just run your script. Sometimes in our script we need to handle such type of certificate issue. So after this execution I will show you how to handle such type of issue. Okay, so it will click on the join. Okay, clicked. So after clicking on the join button, this web page is launched, but we need to handle this certificate issue in our script in Selenium. So how to do this? So to handle such type of certification issue we need to take help from the desired capabilities class. Means we need to set some capability for the browser. So we use desired capabilities from Selenium package. So we use desired capabilities. Cap is equal to new desired capabilities. Means we are going to set some capabilities for our browser, because our browser is not able to handle such type of certification issue as of now. This type of certificate issue. So to handle such type of issue we need to set some capabilities by using this desired capabilities class. So we use cap dot, we use except, we use the second method, set except insecure certificate, and then we provide boolean value true. Ctrl Shift F and Ctrl C. It means we are going to accept insecure certificate. It may be possible that this certificate is insecure, okay, but we need to launch the URL. So first thing is we need to accept this issue. So we use cap dot set accept insecure certificate. Means we are going to accept all certificate that may be insecure, but we need to accept it. So we use set accept insecure certificates and we provide the boolean value true here. Ctrl Shift F and Ctrl C. Now we provide this reference variable here, because we launched our Chrome browser. See, Ctrl Shift F and Ctrl save. Ctrl Shift F and Ctrl save. So only we need to accept this insecure certificate, okay, and then provide our reference variable cap over here. So let me run this script now. Now we have provided the solution to handle insecure certificates. So after clicking on this join button, it will launch the URL properly. It will handle this certificate issue, okay. It will click on the join and see. Now we are able to launch this web page. Okay, so this is the web page. After clicking on this join button, we got this web page. But first thing is we need to accept the certificate. Let me close this one and I will remove this code, and then I will show you again. Control Shift comment. I will comment this one. I will remove this one. Without accepting insecure certificate, when I launch this URL, then I got the exception. I will show you. So now it will launch the URL and click on the join button. Okay, clicked on the join, but we got this certificate issue because we have comment out our code. So let me remove this comment and I will provide this reference variable cap here because we need to accept the unsecure certificates. So we provide this method set accept unsecure certificate and we provide true value, means we are ready to accept this insecure certificate. Control Shift F and Control save and run your script. So this time it will click on the join button and the actual web page should be launched. So this is the expectation. Let's wait for the actual output. Okay, it clicked on the join and this is the original web page. After clicking the join button, this web page is launched and we are able to see this web page, but after accepting this insecure certificate. So this is the main important line. This method will accept this insecure certificate, okay, because we provided true over here. Control Shift F and Control C, and we need to provide this reference variable here, cap. Okay, so this is the example of how to handle or how to accept insecure certificates in Selenium. Next time you just need to change your browser and provide this reference variable here and launch your script. So it will accept this insecure certificate issue. Okay, so this is the example of how to handle this insecure certificate. If you really like this video, if you get some idea from this video, then please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will create some new interesting and meaningful video in a Selenium automation testing. And thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Thank you.